Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the rear passenger side stabilizer link. So let me show you the link broken here. So the link is broken in piece. So I think I already done one on driver side. So because like the link passenger side and driver side, there are different part number. So let me show you the part number before I get started. So the part number in here is, how to see guys, is a 52320 STX A02. Okay, this one is on the rear passenger side one. So okay, let me move the camera to the okay, so let me see one, give me a second. So we're gonna do the same procedure, guys. We're gonna break, this is the plastic in here and the rubbers out, remove it. This is only one way, easy and faster way. Break it, because in New England my state is a lot of salt and you know, like rusted build up so fast. So no, I'm gonna use the tool to put up a little bit. I think it's after heat up the plastic to cover the ball joint in here, and the rubber should become out easier. Let me try it. Remove it. Stuck in here badly, yeah. Okay. A second out. So let me do, oh, this one up a little bit. Crack loose it. Do that is a faster way, you know. If you live in the hot state, you can use the hex number TLMC hex file tool. Just let me show you. See the joint is a nut in here. Oh no, the bolt in here. They have the holes to put the tool to lock it in place. So this one is a hex number 5, but on this, the old one, I cannot do it. It's so rusted, so if you do it, it wastes time. So that's why I do my way. Do my way in here is a little bit faster way. Get the job done faster. This one come out much easier than the other side. This one like a half bolt and half joint. Coming out. out easy. This side, very good. Oh, it's still hot. Okay. So it's out, guys. See? So the next one, we're gonna break this one too. You see? They have one more on the side. Just break it out. Break it. Simple. And after you break it out, you need to clean up. Okay? The plastic cover the joint and the rubber. Let me show you. See it? Clean it up to get space to grab it. Alright, so let me clean it up first, okay? Come out easy. Okay, so it's out right now. Let me show you after I clean up. See, you see, you get more room to work on it. So let me move my camera to the other side. You guys can see it. This is number 14mm on here. Let me use the white scrub to grab it, and then we're gonna use a tool to hit it. Perfect. And it's still the same procedure, guys. So I'm gonna use the tool to hit up a little bit. Okay, so gonna do the same. We're gonna use number 14mm and remove it. So after we get it out, like I said, okay, don't install with the hot. I'm gonna use the water to cool it down a little bit and put on the top too. You cool it down, guys. If you install right away, you see it, it's gonna damage to the plastic inside here. It's not good. So just spray water a little bit to make it cool down. Very simple, guys. Very simple. Okay, you touch it. It's cold enough. It's cold enough. It's cold enough right now. yeah, let me install it. We can install it right now. So let me put one nut to lock it. Lucy. Lucy? Nope. Lucy? 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 No good, right? This one is not that good. It's expanded, so we need the tool to hold it in place. Oh, okay, perfect. So let me finish up. Let me move the camera to the other side, guy. The side. In here you can see it. This is the last one, man. Let me see it. Try this one first. If it doesn't move it. It's okay, huh? Okay, go from there. If it's spun, the bolt spun, you have to put something to lock it. Okay. You get a tool like X number 5. It's not. It's perfect. Okay, perfect, guys, perfect. So where the number 14 mirror? Okay, perfect. So God, this is all set right now. So it's all how to remove and install the rear passenger side stabilizer link, And thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. And thank you so much. Okay, thank you.